Hello and welcome back. We all know that conductors conduct current and insulators don't, while semiconductors are obviously something in between. Now, why do we use semiconductors in electronics and prefer them over conductors? To answer this, let us start with the atom and work our way upwards in the next few lessons. Take a look at this Bohr diagram of a carbon atom. The atom is represented by a valence shell here and a core that consists of all the inner shells and the nucleus. Notice that the carbon atom has 4 electrons in the valence shell and 2 electrons in the inner shell. The nucleus consists of 6 protons and 6 neutrons, so the +6 indicates the positive charge of the 6 protons. The core has a net charge of +4. +6 for the nucleus and -2 for the 2 inner shell electrons.